A is for
apple,
B is for
bull,
C is for
cat,
D is for
bull,
E is for
elephant,
F is for
frog,
J is for
gorilla,
H is for
house,
I is for
iguana,
J is for
jellyfish,
jellyfish. K is for
kangaroo,
wow. L is for
lemon,
M is for
milk,
N is for
noodles,
noodles. O is for
octopus,
P is for
penguin,
penguin. Q is for
crab,
R is for
rainbow,
wow. S is for
snake,
T is for
tiger,
very good. U is for
umbrella,
wow. V is for
violet,
violin. W is for
will,
well. W. X is for
snake,
Y is for
yogurt,
yogurt. Y. Good. X. Z is for
zebra,
yeah, perfect. Excellent ka or not?